Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles. Let's find out why this bike remains a favorite among riders. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus features a simple yet attractive design. Its sleek graphics, comfortable seat, and practical build make it perfect for daily commuting. The lightweight body also helps riders navigate city traffic with ease. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. It provides enough power for everyday rides while maintaining Hero's reputation for dependability. Comfort and features. The Splendor Plus offers an upright riding position, comfortable suspension, and easy handling. Features like i3S technology, an electric start, and a clear instrument cluster add convenience to daily use. Mileage and reliability. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero Splendor Plus is its impressive mileage. Combined with low maintenance costs and widely available spare parts, it remains a cost-effective choice for commuters. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus is a practical, fuel-efficient, and reliable motorcycle that continues to meet the needs of millions of riders. If you're looking for an affordable and dependable commuter bike, the Splendor Plus is definitely worth considering.